Hello and welcome to W3CSS Paragraph demo. This demo is just an introduction to the W3CSS Paragraph module. This module, it's a module has some sub modules inside it, and this module it just help the site builder or people who don't have any development background uh, access to a more polished, professional look in Drupal. I am the developer for the W3CSS theme, and the theme also, when I developed it, I have in mind I wanted to give this ability to people who don't have a development background to have some uh, professional look without learning or going further in uh, in this path. And the theme has so many features you can customize and play with it and get something really out. Uh, the theme it's as any other Drupal theme, you can install it and activate it. And with the theme, I developed another module has this ability to create most of the UI on the fly without any code customization. The feature are available in this module. It's has so many bundles and you can create and use, and I want to just get a glance about what you can do with this module. This is one of the page I have on the demo, and if you click here you will have a long demo for all the bundles. I started with the responsive image. A responsive image, that means you have a responsive image. It will you can customize it according to the breakpoint you have in the theme. Several responsive image, regular image, card slide, flipping card horizontal or vertical, card a layout with the tree column with several layout percentage, 3D carousel. You can build and customize another 3D. You could also use a text or images inside it. This is the flipping card. We saw it earlier. This is the regular image, also flipping card. An animated tab zoom. What it means, you click that, you create tabs. All this work without any custom code. It's all configured in the CMS inside, and also vertical tabs if you prefer. More than there is accordion also with lots of features you can customize and build on the fly from the several animation you try to do or build. This is the slideshow, one of the slideshow we have here, and all this work in the JavaScript, there is no library attached to it. It's all custom vanilla JavaScript work. These are the animation, CSS animation. This is the slideshow, the type of slideshow you can create. And this is also one of the CSS feature, Parallax layout, where you scroll and you kind of see the text go over. And this is one of the overlay, image overlay zoom. You can see here the feature available, all this done on the fly without any CSS custom or added in the theme. The hero image also with the displaying the text image in the position you want on the hero image. This is all also done in the configuration. The back model box, that's where you click and you get some kind of pop-up or something like that. Menu links that's customized. It depends on one of the great modules in Drupal, This is the layout, tree-com and tree-com layout, different things. As you can see here, the different layout, 2-com also with different layout, percentage of each com. This is the card, one of the card feature. So we have a card on the top, an image, and this is also web form and Drupal blocks or custom blocks or menu. You can create views, also reference web form. These are the cards, the type of cards you see it on teaser or something like that. Regular text, simple text, and as you see, the module has so many features, and to activate the module you will always need four of modules together. Some of the contrib modules as the web form, if using web form or views reference, I have it on the page here. It tells you exactly what you need. So if you're using the contact for matter, link this, the bundle, for which bundle contact form, you must have this one. For some of the contrib bundle, depend on some of the contrib modules. Most of the bundles are created just out of the four bundles here, or four, depend on four modules. So if you activate, you must have also the W3CSS theme installed and activated, and this is the theme. And here's, after you activate, you just go and activate the W3CSS paragraph. If you see here, I have each bundle in a separate module. That's because I don't want you to activate all of them except when you need them, because you can activate all of them and you're just gonna go and have lots of them in the under paragraph type. So I rather have you only enable what you need really, and that when you enable that, these are the required, just the basic one. For each bundle after that, if you try to activate, it will ask you which contrib module. So if I go here and again I'm trying to, let's do views reference, and because it depends on one of the contrib modules. So if I click install, it asks me, I have already the views reference module on my local, so it will ask me, and then I activate it. Once you activate, you have to be familiar with the module paragraphs, the structure paragraph types. That's what you get, which is what is that exactly? It's the paragraph. Let's create something quick here. So you need to add a content type and add a new content type. We can add one here, and I want to add the field. That's whenever you use a paragraph, you must add the paragraph type field, and when you add it, you will be able to reference or add the paragraph type. So here I added and a content add. If I add a demo, and now I can add, these are the bundles, they are created. So you can add a sample, and you start adding or customizing your work. The module is very straightforward, and it has so many features. You could play with it, and I hope you will like it, and thank you for watching.